The first type of question is the missing percentage question. The value of the whole is given, the number the percent represents is given, and the percent itself is missing. Now you'll see a typical SAT question here. What percentage of 300 is 225? 225 is the number the percent represents, and 300 is the value of the whole. Dividing those, we must do that, and we get 75% as our answer. Second type of percent question you'll see is the missing change in percent question. The value of initial number is given, the value of the final is given, and the percent change itself is missing. So here is 320 is p% greater than 40. What is the value of p? We must use the percent change formula. Final minus initial divided by initial times 100 equals percent change. We find the difference between final and initial divided by the initial and multiplied by 100 to find percent change, and that is 700%. The third type of percent question is finding the value of a certain percent of a number, arguably the easiest one of all of them. Here are the givens and the missing values. So what is 30% of 50? We convert 30% to a decimal, and multiply it by the value of the whole. That will give us 15. The fourth type of percent question you'll see is find the whole 100% value of something. So the percent is given, the number the percent represents is given, but the value of the whole is missing. So you'll see this example, 50 is 40% of what number? That's right, the whole is missing. So the number the percent represents divided by the number that's the whole value equals the percent as a decimal. So we plug the numbers in and we get 125 as our answer. The fifth type of percent question is the mystery quantity was increased by a percent. So percent's given, final value is given, initial value is missing. So once again, we must use the percent change formula we saw earlier. The result of increasing quantity x by 250% is 28. What is the value of x? So here's the percent change formula. And 28 minus initial equals divided by initial times 100 equals 250. So you can see we're plugging the values in and we're algebraically splitting the fraction up and solving it. Now you'll see how we reduce this to 28 over initial minus 1 equals 2.5. Algebraically getting everything to one side, variables on one side, non-variables on the other side. We get the initial value is 8.